everyone, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new, please click subscribe, and if you're a regular, welcome back. Anyway, so this is a video tutorial on how I achieved this jumbo braids look, jumbo faux locks. They were inspired by Riri. So yeah, please continue watching and enjoy. I'll be using Marley Locs. Marley Locs, they're actually way different than natural locks. Marley Locs are actually thicker. Let me show you. Let me try to do this side so that you guys can see. So what you do is you unravel one side you unravel, and then the one side you leave it as it is. So you're gonna split it into two, and then you put your fiber in between. Put your fiber in between, and then you braid on the side that is not unraveled now. Because my hair is short, I'll just stop here, and then I take this side, and then I start wrapping it around. Then when you get to the end, you just still wrap it around, and it won't come off. Trust me, it won't. Okay, so that's all for the video, guys. Please give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below if you like my faux locks and if I nailed the Rihanna jumbo faux locks look, and to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. And yeah, till the next one.